Hello, ayun. Gumana na. Good evening. We are back. So ayun guys, good evening and welcome sa another stream natin, and it's me again, cryptocurrency trader. No? And last night wala tayong stream kasi nasa labas tayo. So may mga inasikaso tayong papeles, and don't worry, no, yung stream natin is still scheduled at yung time slot pa rin natin is 8 p.m. Monday and Thursday. Good evening. So, quick update, ano ba yung nangyari ngayon sa BTC? So, for those na kababalik lang from outside ng cryptocurrency, so just to let you know, we are already at 50,000 level. So, as of tonight, ang current price natin is 49,800-ish, no? And current total market cap natin is currently trading na rin at 1.87 trillion. So, the more money na pumasok sa market natin, then we can expect more alts na susunod doon sa galaw ni BTC. Okay, so far, marami din tayong mga traders na nagtatanong if ano ba yung mangyayari, especially may nakikita tayong mga bearish divergence dito, may mga possible bearish divergence na mag-materialize. Pero isa yan sa i-discuss natin later, kasi aside from the bearish divergence, I believe some of you napansin ito, especially kung lagi kang tumitingin sa weekly time frame. Though it's very important na makita mo yung kung relative ba yung strength niya according doon sa sinasabi ng price action, no? Or yung relative ba yung strength ng RSI versus dun sa price action. So isa yan sa discuss natin. Pero before we proceed, check muna natin yung comment section natin, and so you'll notice, no, especially sa mga beginner, we don't really talk about fundamentals, so it's all pure technical. And since yun naman talagang ginagamit natin ever since we started this page, it's all about technicals and wala tayong sinasama na fundamentals or news. Because we believe that data and numbers are very important. So yung ibang numbers regarding fundamentals, you can check that to other influencers. Pero for tonight, no, we're just going to talk about technicals and of course yung mga scenarios so pwede mong gawin just in case umakyat yung price or bumaba yung price. So very important na meron tayong mga scenarios in place. And of course, good evening muna everyone. So nandito sila Jetro. So kindly type bootcamp graduates kung isa kayo sa mga bootcamp graduates na nanonood ngayon sa ating stream. I want to see that on our comment section. Let's go. And of course, kung sino yung may mga we don't really chart requests, talk about fundamentals. So, yung mga may chart requests, I want to see that on our comment section. Patingin naman ng mga charts ninyo. Patingin naman ng mga watch list ninyo. Because another, isa sa pinakagusto ko dito sa stream is when we are checking other people's trade, no, or other people's charts, kasi nakikita natin yung watchlist nila, and from there minsan kasi hindi naman lahat ng watchlist or gumagalaw makikita mo. So from there pwede natin tignan, and yun, nakakita din tayo ng mga setups. And by the way, congratulations pala sa mga nakasabay sa CKB. Ayun, no? May nakasabay ba sa CKB, guys? May nakasabay ba sa CKB? I want to see that on our comment section. Lakas, gumagalaw siya ngayon. Okay, so umpisa na natin yung analysis natin with BTC. So ano ba ang lagay ng BTC? So first things first, ito muna tayo sa BTC. And regarding Binance update, anong discussion natin doon? Ano yun? No, magkakaroon tayo ng separate video for that. So on the daily time frame, syempre ito kasi yung lagi natin titignan. This is my favorite time frame dahil I think sakto lang yung frequency na ito, especially kung busy ka or gusto mo rin mag-day trade. So daily time frame talaga yung ginagamit ko, and I've been using this since 2017, no? So yeah. Next is ano ba yung mga resistance levels natin. So you'll notice may mga plotted na tayo ng mga lines dito, and isa yung meron ditong line or area or resistance area na very noticeable, which is yung 50,000 to 52,000. So kung mapapansin natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng retracement for today, no? Kasi earlier kanina in-expect ko na may continuation to, pero it seems that medyo loose yung galaw ng price towards doon sa support. So kaya I think magkakaroon muna tayo ng retracement dito, and we can expect for the price to consolidate for a while habang bumibelo siya papunta doon sa next resistance level natin. And if we're going to check yung monthly time frame for this month, we are still bullish. Marami pa rin tayong chances na pwede pang tamaan ni BTC itong 52. And since malapit na tayo, no, so as we've discussed previously, kung naalala nyo yung time factor, naalala ba yun, guys? Press 1 if yes. Press 1 if yes kung naalala ba yung time factor. So for those na hindi pa napapanood yung video natin regarding time factor, the very important context there is price doesn't move on a straight line. Kasi usually, we tend to think na, especially pag na-break na yung ganitong level, we tend to think na magiging bearish na siya and break of structure na siya. So pero pag dating kasi sa trends, when we talk in terms of trends, no, very important na makita mo on how it range. Kasi the more na nagre-range siya, doon mo nakikita kung ano ba yung ginagawa or anong pattern yung pinapakita sa ng chart. Pero kung masyado kang aggressive and you always anticipate, tama naman yung anticipate for the support levels. Okay? However, ang chances lang doon is hindi mo makikita yung bigger picture, especially pag nandito ka sa gitna. So that's why these past few days after natin mag-stream, sabi natin this can go either both way kasi especially range to, hinayaan lang natin yung price kung saan niya gusto pumunta. And then the moment that it broke from this mini range, itong dinrawing natin, no, sa Discord kasi namin, especially with the bootcamp graduates, ang ginagawa namin lagi kaming we are still bullish, no, whatever man yung gawin ni BTC, ang bias namin bullish. Why? Kasi I've noticed, no, here's what I've learned since 2017 trading cryptocurrencies. Naalala ko noon, wala pa masyado nagte-technicals. Stay in the cycle, no? Stay in the cycle. Ano man yung makita mong bias, always think of the cycle. Kasi yung cycle, if you are trading on the bearish scenario, pero you are trying to push your long or bullish mindset, definitely hindi mag-work yun kasi malaki ang role ng trends pagdating sa cryptocurrency market. So that's something you want to pay attention. Okay? Especially kung pipili kayo ng strategy because any strategy mag-work yan, especially kung aligned yan sa trend, no? So that's why lagi kaming bullish, hindi kami nag-short. So wala kaming mga short. So lagi lang kami naghahanap ng mga prices that trades near support level. So I think there's no magic recipe for that kasi kung nag-hold ka ngayon and wala kang alam sa technical analysis and then you bought at around 37,000 level, I think you're already up a couple of percentage, you know. So sabihin natin you bought here dito sa BTC, I think you're already 26% up. So ibig sabihin wala ka namang strategy just by holding it, pero isa lang tamang ginawa mo, which is you followed the direction of the price. And that's also true kung nagtitrade ka ng futures trading. So I want to see on our comment section kung sino ba yung mga nagtitrade ng futures market. I want to see on our comment section. And by the way, shoutout nga pala sa mga bootcamp graduates natin. Sila John Lister. Okay, dalawa. Isang John Lester and isang John Lister. Si Jetro Reyes, what's up? Good evening. Sila McCoy, si Raymond Sarmiento, what's up? Good evening sa inyo. Si Mark Casas, what's up? Good evening. Piano, nandito rin si Rainiel. Cedric, what's up? Good evening. Ayun na yun, si Razel, no? Good evening, Razel Jacob Bicedo, what's up? Good evening. Okay, so thank you for letting me know na wala pa ng audio kanina. So with that, nakapag-adjust tayo and naka-react tayo agad. And shout out kay, hindi ko mabanggit yung name niya, itago na lang natin siya na Konghei Fa Choi. Ayun. It's Chinese and Mandarin hindi ko mabasa yung name niya. Pero but yeah, so next, shout out din kay Rico. So ngayon, most of the traders, based dun sa poll natin, no, sa comment section, they are all bullish. So kung bullish ka ngayon, the next question here, let's proceed na tayo dun sa weekly time frame natin. Next question here is, meron ba tayong bearish divergence scenario? So bearish divergence scenario, rule number 1, of course, we always want to think in terms of trend, no? Trend, ano ba yung trend natin? Uptrend. So kung magkakaroon tayo ng bearish scenario, so first thing na gusto natin tingnan dito is we want to see the price closing. Okay, so until hindi nagko-close yung price natin, we don't want to anticipate for a bearish divergence. Kasi kung ngayon, nasabihin natin open pa to, no, weekly, so we still have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 kasi mag-open ng new candlestick natin. Kailan? Monday. Okay? Monday, mag-open ang new candlestick natin for weekly. So doon tayo mag-anticipate ng bearish divergence. So that's the first scenario. Yun yung pinaka-sure na masasalo mo kung you want to stay away from the price dahil may bearish divergence. Rule number 2, ito yung next takeaway natin. Do not short, no? Do not short kasi as mentioned earlier, bukas na bukas pa tong weekly candlestick natin. And a lot of traders who are anticipating for this support level kasi may scenario tayo sa sa technicals na dating resistance ngayon magiging support. And most of the traders na naiwan dito, no, they are now anticipating for this level, itong range na to. And pag nagkaroon dyan ng range, especially we are still above RSI, so it doesn't mean na yung RSI, no, kung lagi mo nababasa sa internet na pag yung RSI napunta doon sa 70, ano na yan, overbought na yan, babagsak na yan. At some point, that is true. Yun nga lang, pag nagbabad kasi yan siya dyan, the tendency is, it means, magpapahinga lang siya pero meron pa siyang another retest. And if you short this, no, kung sino short mo to ngayon, 50k, siguro mapapagbigyan ka niya pero the bigger reward, we are looking at doon sa resistance na 51 and 52 level. So to sum this up, number 1, we are still bullish with BTC. So pwede ba tayo umabot ng 60, 70? So all I can say is pwede, possible, no? Ito kasi yung resistance or yung range na tinitignan natin ngayon. So ano yung range na tinitignan natin? So wala na tayo dito sa mga lines na to. Nasa gitna because we are past that area. So ngayon, next is that kailangan lang natin makalagpas dito sa 51, 52 and from there, doon na tayo aabot sa 62 and 58. So to support the idea of these technicals, syempre meron tayong driver. Okay? Hindi yung sweet lover Hindi yun. Okay? Basta driver, sweet lover, hindi yun. Yung sinabi nating driver, ano yung magpupush sa kanya? Number 1, of course, yung buyers. Aside from buyers, ano dapat yung ginagawa nila? They have to buy. Okay? So, the more na maraming pera na papasok sa market, then the tendency, you can expect for the price to go up. Next, ano ba yung market cap natin ngayon? We are currently at 1.87. So, onti na lang, maabutan na natin yung 2 trillion. And if we hit that 2 trillion mark, then we can expect na pwede na tayong bumutas dito sa 51, 52. Kasi ang total market cap around this level for the 70,000, 69,000 is around 3 trillion. Okay? So, kaya, okay, from the 3 trillion, so we can expect na siguro baka dito na tayo ma-reject and doon na mag-materialize yung idea nyo na bearish divergence. Since this is going to be the top of this, ito na yung parang top major resistance nyo na to. So, mababasag ba natin to? Magiging happy ba tayo? Magkaroon ba tayo ng all-time high? Possible, no? So, as long as na-intact pa rin yung trend natin, we want to stay long, up only. Pwede kayo mag-short, it's up to you. Pero, tatandaan natin guys, pag bull market, maraming aakyat dyan, no? So, it's easy to buy on support kaysa magbantay ka ng short tapos for a couple of for a few percentage lang, 'di ba? Sayang naman. Though may mga bumabagsak talaga na 15%, pero if you're going to wait, no? Kung titingnan natin guys, yung compare natin yung ratio ng bumabagsak na coins versus dun sa umaakyat. So, as of tonight, yung mga nakita kong pula ngayon sa watchlist natin, they are -5, -6, -4 compared doon sa top gainer ngayon na si CKB which is 38%. Ayun, no? 38% siya ngayon. Okay? So may question to you. Press 1 kung ang bias mo o magte-trade ka lagi ngayon ng long or buy. Or press 2, mag-short ka pa rin. I want to see that on our comment section. Okay, so syempre for this question, wala naman tama at maling sagot dito. Because in the first place, syempre, pera mo yan, it's your money, it's your hard-earned money, ikaw yung pipindot. But ang important kasi dito is yung efficiency mo and how you can catch those opportunity. How are you going to catch those opportunity na mas mapapadali yung trading mo na hindi ka lagi na parang pagod na pagod ka, in out ka lagi, enter exit ka lagi ng trade. Okay, kasi sometimes, diba, I love this quote from Jesse Livermore, the money is made in the sitting, not in the thinking, diba? So again, the money is made in the sitting, not in the thinking. So I believe yung sinabi niya na quote na yon also refers to following the trend, no? Kung ano ba talaga yung general direction ng market. Kasi if you're just looking for short-term opportunities just for the sake na meron ka lang ma-trade kahit wala namang setup, then yan ang magiging cause ng risk of ruin, no? Pag sinabi natin risk of ruin, meron ka kasing portfolio. Sabihin natin, ito yung portfolio mo. Okay, sabihin natin you have your performance. Yung risk of ruin mo pag lumagpas siya dito. This is the risk of ruin. Okay? So, and of course, you don't want that to happen. So, now let's move on. Punta na tayo doon sa pinag-usapan natin na bearish divergence. So, for the bearish divergence, pag-materialize ba yun this week or this month? So, syempre, first things first, let's not deny the fact na anything can happen in the market. Pwede mangyari yan. Pwede siya mag-materialize dito. So that's why you want to have different or multiple scenarios. So pag nagkaroon ng bearish divergence this week, nag-materialize siya, then I think dyan na maglalaro siya sa range. Okay? And as mentioned earlier, dito siya magkakaroon ng opportunity yung mga naiwan to buy for the next follow-up. So second scenario, what if wala nang follow-up, walang bearish divergence? Okay? So ibig sabihin, pwede pa siya magkaroon ng continuation sa upside for this week, and possible for the next candlestick doon siya magkakaroon ng pause, no? So pause yun, hindi siya bearish. Pause lang yung makikita natin doon. Okay? Pag nagkaroon siya ng pause, usually yung pause isang ano lang yun isang candlestick lang na maliit for the whole week, nagre-range lang siya. And we'll see if tatamaan niya na yung high natin. So yun yung nakita nating scenario dito. Okay? So now, yan ang analysis natin for BTC. So ang pinagkaiba kasi ng 50k dati tsaka ngayon is that meron tayong mga resistance. So that's why we have to take extra caution, maging cautious tayo sa mga positions natin, no? So even though na umakyat yung market, hindi ka naglalagay ng stop loss. So it's all about being responsible pa rin doon sa trade mo. So huwag mo pabayaan, no? So don't lose your focus. Okay, so dapat goal, focus, ayun. So, yeah, next, doon naman tayo sa syempre pinaka-favorite natin na with chart request. Okay, gusto ba natin na chart request? I want to see that on our comment section. So, sa mga gusto ng chart request, hindi tayo may mga gusto ipa-check. So, first things first, syempre, share muna natin yung page natin. Share muna natin yung live stream natin tonight. And titingnan natin kung sino yung mga nag-share. So, syempre, the post must be publicly shared para makita natin yung names. Okay. And wala tayong sinasama. Ayan. So far, ang nag-share pa lang publicly. So, nakita natin yung name niya, si Danilo Rante Cortaga. Ayan. Check na natin si Danilo. Gusto niya daw ipa-check yung ICP. Okay? Okay, so Danilo. So, maganda yung ICP. So, ano yung nagustuhan natin kay ICP? So, first, gusto natin kay ICP is, syempre, meron siyang breakout. Okay? Meron siyang breakout. So, dito sa breakout na to, meron na siyang green candlestick and I think gumagawa siya ng pattern. Okay, so tingnan natin sa daily time frame yung pattern, and more likely, ito yung resistance niya dito for this pattern. So, ngayon, kung i-connect natin yung two dots, so meron tayong... So, since bull market ngayon, halos ganito yung makikita ninyo. And you also want to keep your eyes familiarized with that pattern dahil in the first place, yan din naman ang iti-trade nyo since ganun ang direction ng market. So bakit ganito yung ginawa nating analysis? Because first things first, meron tayong mga resistance dito. And pag magti-trade tayo, maghanap tayo ng trade, is we always want to look for pattern. Okay? So meron tayong ditong two touches, dito din. So for now, this can be considered as ascending triangle. Pero kung tatanungin mo kung akit pa ba or bababa, yan ang scenario na hindi natin malalaman. Kaya ang best dito is you have to pay attention dito sa next touch niya dito. Kasi once na lumagpas siya dyan, then possibly bumalik na siya dun sa 9 and 8. And usually mangyayari to, just in case, no, na bumagsak din si BTC, then I think ganito yung gagawin niya. Pero as long as na intact si BTC, I think it will still magkakaroon tayo ng demand dyan, and from there hopefully mag-close itong price papunta dito, and then mag-tighten up, magkaroon ng short squeeze until magkaroon siya ng break. And kung nakaposition ka dito or hindi ka pa nakaposition, I think magandang level na tignan mo dito for buy is around this level. Nandito siya. 11 or 12. Okay, so nandyan. Kasi pag dito, medyo malaki pa yung room para pumunta dun sa support. So, usually, dyan natitilt eh. No? Yung pagkapasok, kinabahan kasi biglang nag-negative. Okay. So, pwede mong gawin, test buy ka muna dito and then add ka na lang dito sa level na to. Okay, so check natin kung sino yung mga nag-share ng stream natin, and then check natin kung meron silang mga okay, so check natin chart request. So we have 9 people or viewers na nag-share ng ating page publicly. So we have Brioso Echo, si Marvin, si Ranz, si Marvin Nareza Falcotila, and si Danilo. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yung iba na hindi nakapag-share publicly, make sure to share natin siya publicly para makita ko yung name nyo. So we have a chart request from Marvin, so AVAX daw. So we have a chart request from, so check natin yung AVAX. So AVAX, okay, so si AVAX naman, syempre gusto pa rin natin si AVAX kasi first yung kay AVAX kasi may breakout din siya. So meron tayong breakout dito. Okay, and then ganda ng follow-up ni AVAX. So ngayon yung pinaka-resistance niya nandito sa level na to. Okay, so this can also be considered as another resistance kasi mukhang may reaction from the previous resistance na naging support. So paano natin nasabi na may reaction? Kasi I want you to imagine wala pa yung price na to. Okay, so yan, wala pa tayong price, di ba? Nandito pa lang yung price. Pero nung umakyat yung price, eventually nagkaroon siya ng reaction doon. Ayun, nagkaroon siya ng week. Parang merong something na pumipigil sa kanya. And then eventually dito siya nagkaroon ng stop and turn. Okay? So the next question, bakit siya nagkaroon ng stop and turn dito? Because if titingnan pala natin yung historical data niya, meron siyang resistance doon. No, merong memory yung market. So next, let's see kung meron pa tayong setup. So first setup na nakita natin dito, I believe syempre tapos na, is of course yung pullback. Okay? Medyo malaki lang yung pullback ito because kung sa spot mo to tinrade, then congratulations, you have already 49 or 50%, no? So yun yung maganda when trading coin like this sa spot. Kasi yung ganitong coin, if you're going to trade this sa futures, medyo mahirap sasaluhin. So next question is, nasaan yung spot dito or level kung saan ako pwede pumasok? Siyempre yan yung common question. So of course, plot muna tayo ng support and resistance. Okay, ito yung resistance natin, ito yung support natin. So ngayon kasi wala pa tayong pattern kasi kaka-break niya lang from that flag pattern eh. Okay, so wala pa tayong another pattern dito because yun kasi yung hahanapin mo para magkaroon ka ng edge sa market. Kasi pag wala kang edge, no trade. Okay? Pag nag-trade ka ng walang edge, then you're just giving away your money. So, bigay mo na lang sa amin, di ba? Okay? So, ngayon, bakit tayo maghihintay dito sa area na to? Hindi tayo bibili dito. Bakit ganun? Kasi if we're going to pay attention doon sa mga MAs natin or kahit yung support and resistance na lang, no? Dito sa level na to. Dito kasi medyo alanganin siya, no? Dahil nandun siya nakadikit sa ceiling. So gusto natin kukunin ang approach natin dito. We want to catch this malapit dun sa floor. Okay, so once na nag-bounce siya dito, then we want to ride that price action towards again to retest the resistance level. Okay, so that's our analysis for AVAX. So stop loss mo beyond this point. So wala pa tayong masabing another scenario for this level kasi masyado pa siyang malayo. So I think this is going to be another discussion for another another live. Ayun. So, check ulit natin kung sino yung mga nag-share sa ating stream. And then, syempre, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga coins na nire-request nila. So, we have another, may nag-share ulit, no? Si Keanu and si Jameson Castro. Ayun, mabit ng graduate. So, tingnan natin kung meron silang mga chart request. Okay, si Rans, meron daw siyang BGB USDT. Okay, so BGB, sa mga hindi nakakalam, this is the token of BitGet. Okay, so I'm also very bullish kay BGB, no? Kasi since magkakaroon ng replacement na, I can say replacement for Binance, pero no one can replace Binance. Okay, Binance is close to my heart. Pero syempre, time has, we all have to move on. And wala, ganun talaga eh. We have to move on. We have to accept the reality. Kasi cryptocurrency trader wouldn't be here kung wala si Binance, no? Kasi in the first place, from 2019, naalala ko, I partnered with Binance kasi we have this mission na pakalat talaga yung education ng crypto sa buong Philippines, and we've done it successfully. Kaya ang dami ding pati yung mga staff doon, sila Archeline, yung mga staff ng mga Binance naging close din, and parang naging family na rin. Kasi pag pupunta ka sa isang lugar from one place to another, isa lang kayo ng service eh, magkakasama kayo sa van, sabay-sabay kayo kakain. Kaya yung mga staff ng Binance very very close talaga sa akin, especially kay Drew Azarias, yung business developer ng Binance. So ayun, thank you for helping me out. Naalala ko may account ako na malaki na naipit from Binance. So tinawagan niya agad si Colin Goltra. Colin Goltra is the COO of CoinsPH. Tapos lumipat siya sa Binance. So ayun, thank you for Colin kasi malaki-laki yung laman ng account na yun, and nung siya yung nag-handle ng case, ang bilis lang ng naayos ng issue, and that's why malungkot din ako na gano'n yung nangyari kay Binance. But yeah, sobrang ganda ng experience with Binance. Pero ayun, okay, kailangan natin mag-move on. So yeah, malungkot kasi kasama natin yung sa sa success eh. So, moving on. Ayun. Yeah, so medyo emotional tayo kay Binance, no? So ngayon, sa mga nagtatanong, coach tayo nagti-trade ngayon. Ano yung broker na gamit natin? We are currently using BitGet, no? So, yeah. Grabe, daming memories with Binance. So, yeah, moving on. Okay, so dito tayo ngayon kay BGB. Again, BGB, bullish na bullish tayo. However, masyado lang malaking range niya talaga, no? Erratic siya kasi I think ba't nga ba maligalig to si BGB? Kaya ang ginagawa ko lang dito, spot eh. Okay, so it's almost near na rin pala to, no? 1 billion market cap. So it's very exciting to see. Ang price na ba ngayon ni BGB, wala pa siyang $1. So very exciting. Very exciting. So sabi ni Danilo, kumita talaga ako dyan kay Binance. Ayun, congrats sir. Libre mo naman kami. Libre naman dyan, sir. Okay, so sabi ni Jeff Yuson, sa advancing stage pa ba yung BTC coach? Advancing stage pa rin tayo. So, ito tatandaan natin na pagdating sa mga cycles. Di ba, titignan mo kung advancing. Titignan mo kung distribution. Pag nasa advancing ka, ang mindset mo, advancing lang. Until wala pang break of structure, hindi pa siya nagpapakita ng criteria ng distribution. Huwag ka muna doon. Huwag mo muna isipin yun. Puro long lang. Puro bullish lang. Ganun lang. Kasi how we make money in the market is all about anticipating, reacting. Yun siya, di ba? Anticipating and reacting. So, dahil syempre sa mga day trader, sila yung nagre-react. Yung iba naman, yung mga medyo long-term magplano, they are anticipating. So, ayun, hanggat wala pa siyang pinapakita, ano lang muna, it's more on confirmation din talaga eh. So, yeah, ano muna tayo? Bullish pa rin tayo and we're still advancing. So, sabi ni Marvin, paano po mag-plot ng daily pivot? So, plot ng daily pivot, ang gagawin mo is hanapin mo lang kung nasaan yung break. Okay? So, paano hanapin yung break? Sabihin natin, meron kang price dito. So, pag sinabi mo kasing daily pivot, syempre, you are not looking at smaller time frame. Okay? Kasi pag 1 minute time frame yan, that is not daily pivot. Ibig sabihin, that is 1 minute pivot. Okay, doesn't make sense? Does it make sense? Okay, so, para maging daily pivot to, you have to go to the daily time frame. Yan ang una mo hanapin. So, pag nagkaroon siya ng, so ito yung resistance natin, once na magkaroon siya ng break, so sabihin natin break siya dyan, good thing is that if you're going to check that smaller time frame, so pumunta ka sa smaller time frame, makikita mo pa rin tong pivot na to. Yun yung kagandahan if you are plotting your SNR on the higher time frames. Okay? So check natin ngayon si INJ. So, INJ naman, maganda yung pattern niya. However, choppy siya. So, for me, mahirap i-trade to pag choppy yung coin. Maganda siya kasi may pattern nga lang choppy. So, hirap ako sakyan yung ganito eh. Okay, hirap ako sakyan ng ganyan. Pero kung kayo, tingin nyo okay sa inyo sakyan siya, then feel free to do so. Kasi, the first place, meron siyang pattern. So, that's a flag pattern. And, ang magandang area for you to buy around this level is nandito, no? So, medyo wide lang magiging stop loss mo kasi mga 10%. So, you don't want to chase around this level kasi pag chinis mo yan, pwede mo test buy ka dyan and then add ka na lang dito kasi preferred natin nandito banda eh. Kasi it will give you more confidence pag mas malapit ka sa support. Pag nandito ka, alanganin eh. Kasi isipin mo, if dito ka papasok, tapos naglagay ka ng stop loss dito. Stop loss ka na agad, di ba? Realized loss agad. Tapos nag-trade ka ulit, entry ka ulit. Edi, pag nagkamali na naman tong trade na to, another realized loss na naman. So, natalo ka ng dalawa. Kasi masyado kang atat, pumasok ka agad this level. Pero, pag nakatch mo siya dito banda, ayan. So, and then 10% stop loss lang. Then, be realistic to your target. 1:3 or 1:2. Then, expect for that trade to have a good outcome. Panalo man or talo kasi ang place mo lang ng dito ng trade mo isa lang versus doon kanina sa scenario na pinakita natin dalawa. Okay? Dalawa. So, I believe this is already discussed sa Discord channel natin sa Bootcamp Graduates, BC Alumni and BC Community. Yung tinatawag nating one more chance. Okay? And also big shoutout din pala kay Clark Thompson Uchida. Clark, dati hindi ko pa daddy nang umattend ka sa bootcamp ko. Ngayon daddy ka na. Congrats. Okay, so ayun guys. That's all for tonight, no? So thank you for joining dito sa ating stream. I hope marami kayong natutunan. It's me again, Cryptocurrency Trader. Kung mag-trade kayo, make sure to plan your trade and trade your plan, and as always, trade responsibly. Maraming salamat guys, no? And hope to see you soon. We'll have another stream on Thursday, and with that, see you. Maraming salamat. Good night.